Hey guys, it's me Nell. You may or may not have requests for this video, but I would love to share with you guys how I draw my wing liner. So I usually draw it this way to have the cat eyes effect because that's just how I love it on me. So if you want to know more on how I do it, please keep watching. I would preferably use a fine tip eyeliner, and in this case I'm using this black liquid eyeliner that I got from Shein. So fine tip eyeliner helps me to have a better control and it's definitely easier for me. So I'll be looking at the mirror most of the time, so please don't mind me. I hope it's clear enough for you to see how I do them. And first thing first, I will draw how high or long my wing liner would be, and then I will take the end of the wing liner and gradually connect them to the center of my eyelid. Nowadays, I prefer drawing my eyeliner to the center instead of the full up till the inner corner eyelids. I feel like drawing it to the center gives a more natural look. Once I have the preferred shape and size of my liner, I would then fill them up. So if you guys can see, my wing is not as neat, but do not worry because I will clean them up in a second. So tips, if you want to have a more natural look, go for the brown or black pencil eyeliner instead of the liquid ones like mine right now. But because I don't have them, so I've been using this liquid eyeliner instead. So as you guys can see here, I'm just filling up my eyelids and readjusting the height of my wing liner. I think I need to put a disclaimer out there. I'm not a makeup expert, so what I'm showing you might not be the professional way, but this is what usually works for me, and I think it works well for me in this case. Once I like how it looks, I would then take cotton bud and micellar water to clean up my wing liner. So here I'm just using Nivea micellar water, and to be honest, I prefer Garnier than Nivea simply because Garnier is much more gentle on my skin, I feel. So again, it's just my personal opinion. So here I'm just cleaning up the wing liner to make it more sharp. I'm so sorry my hair is blocking your view. I didn't realize when I was filming it, but here's a close-up of my wing liner after cleaning up. So basically I do the same method for the other eye, and there you go, my own rendition of how to draw the wing liner. To be honest, it was hard when I started, but after a lot of practice, it's pretty easy to apply it, and your hands simply have the memory, so it takes much more lesser effort. I hope this video helped you in any way possible. I try to keep it as simple, and just keep practicing and you'll get the perfect wing liner in no time. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!